Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you are all well, inshallah. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alu as-sa'ba in shi'ta sahla. Ameen. Today, our topic is proportion. Let's start with what is proportion. A proportion is a name we give to a statement that two ratios are equal. This can be seen when looking at an equivalent fraction. Example, A to B is equal to C to D. Okay, let us understand more what is a proportion. A proportion is an equation with a ratio on each side. It is a statement that two ratios are equal. If you don't know what is the meaning of ratio, please watch the video, The Difference Between Ratios and Fractions. This is a proportion. It's having ratio on each side, and they are equal. It's like an equivalent fraction. 3 to 4 is equal to 6 to 8. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. But when one of the four numbers in a proportion is unknown, how can we find the unknown number? Example like this one. 2 to 5 is equal to unknown number 240. Okay, let us look at this formula. If A to B is equal to C to D, this means that A times D is equal to B times C. In proportions, the cross products are equal. So 1 to 2 is equal to 6 to 12. So that means 1 times 12 is equal to 2 times 6. When we look at this, 1 times 12 equal 12 and 2 times 6 equal 12. Okay, let us practice now. A painter uses 1 tin of black paint for every 2 tins of white paint to get gray paint. If the painter uses 5 tins of black paint, how many tins of white paint will the painter use? So we have unknown number. This is a ratio. 1 tin of black to every 2 tins of white. So 5 tins of black, how many will he use? Tins of white paint. This is how we write the ratio, 1 to 2. It's equal to 5 to unknown. We can also write it as a fraction. Okay, let us now look at the first way how we are going to answer this proportion. Here we are going to answer it as an equivalent fraction. 1 times 5 is 5. We are going to use the same number with the denominator. 2 times 5 equal 10. Look at the second way. Okay, the formula. If A to B is equal to C to D, it means that A times D is equal to B times C. So, the A here is 1. And the D here is unknown. So 1 times unknown is equal to B here is 2. And C here is 5. So 1 times unknown is equal to 2 times 5. So 1 times unknown number is equal to 10. Last step, we are going to do division. 10 divided by 1 and the answer will be 10. So for the 5 tins of black paint, the painter is going to use 10 tins of white paint to make the gray paint. Hope you understand the proportion. See you in the next class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.